the north pole of the magnet is directed or pointed towards the geometric north of Earth. And why it is because why it is so, that is the north pole of the magnet is pointed towards the geometric north of Earth. That means the magnetic south of Earth is located near the geometric north. So the north pole is pointed towards the geometric north, and the south pole is gets pointed towards the geometric south pole. So in this way we can get the direction, that north and south poles. So directive property of magnet help us to find out the direction. And what is magnetic property or directive property? When we suspend a magnet freely, it comes to rest aligning in the north-south direction. That is, north of the magnet is pointed towards the geometric north, and south of the magnet pointed towards the geometric south. And next comes the law of magnetic poles. So we have already learned that a magnet consists of two poles, north and south poles. And you might have experienced in your lower classes, or you might have conducted such experiments to see that the like poles of a magnet repel each other. When you bring the north poles of two magnets together, that repels each other. But when you bring opposite poles of a magnet together, it attracts. So, and that is the law of magnetic poles. That is, opposite poles attract each other and like poles repel each other. Now, poles are paired. What does it mean? Poles are paired means that property tells that every magnet has got two poles. That is a north and south pole. You cannot have a magnet with only one pole. That is a magnet having only north pole or a magnet having only south pole. That means always magnetic poles always exist in two or as a pair. You cannot have monopoles. So monopoles do not exist. That is the meaning of this property or the statement, poles are paired. Then magnetic induction. What is magnetic induction? So when we said the definition of a magnet, we could say a magnet attracts some other magnetic materials. That means these materials are also getting they are also becoming a magnet when you bring another magnet near it. So what is actually happening? A magnet is inducing some magnetic properties or magnetic power in such type of materials, and that is known as magnetic induction. So what is magnetic induction? It is inducing magnetism in certain materials or certain substances by a powerful magnet. That is known as magnetic induction.